The secret to making a lot of money on Airbnb, owning or arbitrage, is systemization. I didn't approach Airbnb like a real estate play. You're not selling real estate, you're selling time. The moment you realize that you're selling time, something that you can never get back when the day elapses, is the moment you start to master the model. You start to master revenue management and operational strategy. What actually matters for occupancy, though, it's how full you are today. The question is how do we get new market share? Where the market is on average 60 and like 65, and I'm respectively like 80 and 95%. Even these days where I've got almost 100% occupancy, I'm still collecting $30 more than they are. I know dozens of hosts that I personally talk with, and they're doing it right now. So everything you pay for, of course, comes out of your profit. So if you want to make all the money in the world doing this, you can, of course, master every little detail. And that, at the end of the day, is really what you want to get towards. Come to this event tomorrow. Like, you really should. You actually get a free education. Yes!